A Day with Nandu, Class 4 EVS, Chapter 3. In this chapter, we'll learn about herd of elephants, animals living in groups, about animal rights, people who capture animals for their livelihood, and animals used for carrying loads. So let's get started. Nandu is a 3-month-old calf of an elephant, but he's already 300 kilograms. Elephants are very big in size. They have a long, big trunk. They use their trunks to pick up objects, trumpet warnings, greet other elephants, or suck up water for drinking or bathing. The pillar-like legs carry their great weight. Tusks are large, deeply rooted teeth that help the elephant in digging, lifting, gathering food, and defense. Their big ears work like fans. The elephants flap these to keep themselves cool. Elephants do not rest very much. They sleep for only 2 to 4 hours a day. Nandu is always on move with his mother. Elephants move in herds. An elephant herd has mainly females and baby elephants. The oldest female is the leader of the herd. A herd may have 10 to 12 female elephants and young ones. Male elephants live in the herd till they are 14 to 15 years old. Then they leave their herd and move around alone. Nandu will also leave the herd when he is that old. When they reach the jungle, they spread out to eat leaves and twigs and gather near water streams. Do you know that adult elephant can eat more than 100 kilograms of leaves and twigs in one day? What do elephants eat? Elephants eat a lot. Elephants are herbivores, meaning they eat plants. Elephants feed 12 to 18 hours every day, consuming 5% of their body weight. They eat mostly grass in the rainy season, and the rest of the year they eat leaves, twigs, bark, roots, and fruits. After they had eaten, the herd moves towards the river. Elephants love to play with mud and water. Let's now enjoy seeing baby elephants playing in mud and water. Look how the baby elephant is enjoying playing with mud and water. The mud keeps their skin cool. The mother lays down in the water and mud on the river bank, and the baby elephants enjoy playing in mud and water. Oh, mud, mud and mud. See how happy the baby elephant is. Oh, totally in mud. It's not enough for him still now. He doesn't want to come out of it. When coming out of the bath in a river, elephants will often throw mud on themselves as a layer of protection. Their big ears also work like fan. The elephants flap these to keep themselves cool. Elephants do not rest very much. They sleep only for 2 to 4 hours in a day. Before sunset, the herd starts back towards the jungle. Like elephants, some other animals also live together in groups. Animals in groups usually move around together, searching for food. Now, let us see some animals living together in groups. A group of zebras is called a zeal. A group of owls is called a parliament. A group of bats is called a colony. A group of camels is called a caravan. A group of giraffes is called a tower. A group of penguins is called a colony. A group of lions is called a pride. A group of monkeys is called a troop. A group of dogs is called a pack. A group of fish is called a school. A group of deer is called a herd. A group of bees is called a swarm. A group of buffaloes is called a gang. A group of sheep is called a flock. A group of wolves is called a pack. A group of snakes is called a nest. A group of hippos is called a bloat. A group of rhinos is called a crash. A group of kangaroos is called a troop. A group of rabbits is called a colony or a fluffle. A group of turtles is called a bale. Have you ever taken a ride on any animal? How did it feel? Which animals have you sat on? Now let us see some animals used for riding. Elephant ride. Wow, such decorated elephants. Camel ride, full of bumps and swings. Horse ride, keeping up the pace. Buffalo ride, seems funny. Donkey ride. Yak ride. Can you recognize? It's me riding a yak. Have you seen any animal riding on another animal? Okay, I'll show you some pictures of animal riding on another animal. Why do you think the egret is sitting on the buffalo? The egret is sitting on the buffalo to eat insects that are sticking to buffalo's skin. They both benefit each other as the egret gets its food and the buffalo gets rid of the insects which can cause infection and disease. Oxpecker sitting on impala to eat insects. In this picture also, oxpecker sitting on rhino to eat insects. In this picture, starlings are sitting on deer to eat insects. Now, let us see some funny rides of animals on animals. Oh, it was really funny. Many animals are captured by people and employed in different tasks. They are trained in cruel way and fed little. Birds are captured and kept in cages and sold in the market. Snake charmers catch many poisonous snakes and keep them in bamboo baskets. They move from village to village carrying their snakes in bamboo baskets. Oh, these snakes are so sad, captured in bamboo baskets. Look, here is a picture of Madari. Madaris are people who keep monkeys and earn money by showing monkey dance and other shows. People keep bear to earn money by showing bear dance. Fortune tellers keep parrots. Many kinds of fortunes are written on cards and the cards are piled up. Parrot picks up a card to tell your fortune. Have you ever seen a circus? Circus people entertain people by shows of different animals. Let's go to a circus and enjoy. Look how elephants are acting in different ways. An elephant trying to balance on two legs. An elephant trying to balance on a ball. They are trained in cruel way and fed little. The elephants feel restrained when they are kept in the chain. They feel helpless and restricted to do anything. Look, a rhino balancing with two legs on table. A magnificent tiger jumping through a ring of fire. What a tough training! Wow! See the amazing acts of birds. Birds are captured in cage where they are unable to even stretch their wings and never know the joy of flying or the happiness of freedom. A cockfight is a blood sport between two cocks popular in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Jharkhand. Look how the cocks are fighting. Some pet animals are kept with love and care and treated very well, like this cute cat and this dog. Now let us see some animals used for carrying load. Oxen, horse, donkey, elephant, elephant, camel, buffalo, mule, yak. Shall we fill in the blanks? An elephant herd has only dash and dash elephants. The options are lion, female, baby. Yes, an elephant herd has only female and baby elephants. Next, male elephants live in the herd till they are dash years old. Is it 14 to 15 years or 2 to 5 years or 25 to 27 years? It is 14 to 15 years. Male elephants live in the herd till they are 14 to 15 years old. Next, their sound is dash. Is it bark, roar or trumpet? It is trumpet. Their sound is trumpet. Next, elephants sleep for dash hours. Is it 10 to 12 hours or 6 to 8 hours or 2 to 4 hours? It is 2 to 4 hours. Elephants sleep for 2 to 4 hours. Which of the statements are true and which are false? Elephants can eat over 100 kilograms of leaves and twigs a day. True or false? Yes, it is true. The male elephant has to leave the herd when he is 2 years old. True or false? False. Baby elephant can weigh as much as 250 kilograms. True or false? Yes, it is true. The youngest female is the leader of the herd of the elephants. True or false? It is false. Shall we answer some questions now? How do elephants keep themselves cool? They flap their big ears like fans to keep themselves cool. The mud on their skin also keeps them cool. What do the baby elephants love to do? Baby elephants love to play in mud and water. How many elephants are there in a herd? There are 10 to 12 female elephants and young ones in a herd. Male elephants live in the herd till they are 14 to 15 years old. Who is the leader of the herd? The oldest female is the leader of the herd. How many hours do the elephants sleep in a day? Elephants sleep for only 2 to 4 hours in a day. Which other animals live in herds? Deer, sheep, cows, penguins, rhinos, zebra, etc. live in herds. Which animals do we use for riding? Horse, elephant, camel, donkey are used for riding. Which animals do we use for carrying loads? Elephant, horse, donkey, buffalo, oxen are used for carrying loads. Why is the egret sitting on buffalo? The egret is sitting on the buffalo to eat insects that are sticking to buffalo's skin. Name the groups of the following animals. Bats, a colony. bees, a swarm, buffalo, a gang, camels, a caravan, dogs, a pack. Again, name the groups of the following animals. Wolves, a pack, fish, a school, frogs, an army, monkeys, a troop, kangaroos, a troop. Groups of following animals: lions, a pride, owls, a parliament, rabbits, a herd, zebras, a zeal, snakes, a nest. So, in this chapter, we have learnt some interesting facts about elephants and their herd, about animals living in groups, animal rights, about people capturing animals, and animals used for carrying loads. Thank you, children. We'll meet you again in my next class. Bye.